Hello everybody, it's me Granny Gems, and let me tell you something. Okay, listen, I got a good video for you all today. I'm taking you step by step. I'm gonna get my phone and I'm gonna show you how to get free Zems by playing games. Okay, right now I'm fixing me a little something to eat, so that's why I ain't looking at y'all right now. I'm a little hungry. I'm just saying. But right after my intro, we gonna get into it. Let's get started. Alright everybody, so we're going to get started with this video, and the first thing that we're going to do is find exactly where, which is in benefits area, of how to get to the games that will give us free Zems. Okay, I'm dancing. The reason why, because I'm so happy. Oh my goodness, listen, I tell you, I do this all the time. I'm just happy to share this with you all. Okay, so watch me boogie at the same time. We're going step by step. Now we are in benefits. The first thing you want to do, which is where the free Zems area is play mobile games area section. This is what this video is all about. I'll go through the other ones and other games, but for right now, this is what this one is all about. So you click on that, and then you go to accept and start mission. You have to do it from Zepeto. You have to do it from the Zepeto app, else it's not going to count. Okay, so you're going to start and see what missions is available for you. Everybody has different missions. Every country has different missions. Everything is different. Also, you're going to allow tracking. Very important, because if you don't allow the tracking, guess what? Zepeto is not going to know that you accomplished the missions for that particular game. So it's very important. Okay, that's all I got to say about that. So you're going to definitely go to the tracking and you're going to work on that. Click the button. Click tracking. Okay, so let's continue. At the same time, once you allow the tracking and you click on the tracking, you're going to allow permissions. Okay, so this allows the tracking. So you make sure you allow the permissions for Zepeto, okay, to track your progress in the game. Okay? Oh, I'm getting down. You can't tell me I don't know what I'm doing. I'm dancing. Anyway, now that we see the games that is available, one of the games that I have available is Block Smash. Okay, as you can see, I'll get 1 Zem per mission with a total of 37 Zems. Okay, so I get 1 Zem per mission for a total of 37. So as long as I complete all my missions, I will end up with 37 Zems. Okay, so this is how I get them real quick and fast. So let's play. Now I have to install it, so I'm going to go right on ahead and install it in my game. So click the install button. Alright, so that is so important. You must click the install button. Alright, now just don't go to Google Games or Google Play or whatever Play and try to download the games. No, it has to go in this order. Okay, I'm telling you something. Listen very careful. It has to be in this order. Alright? So I am just letting you know exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it. Alright? So in saying that, it's downloading. You can click the auto open ready like I just did. So that means it'll automatically open. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. As you can see, it doesn't. But click the play button. Once you click the play button, you are officially in the game. Alright, so you must confirm. You have to confirm. Alright, now give you a little tutorial. Now as you can see, I'll start to play the game. Let's play this game. Get it, Granny.
Amazing.
Get it. Okay, so I'm going to continue to play the game until I reach the first achievement. Alright, and then I'm going to also show you exactly how many achievements I actually achieved just by playing for this amount of time. So let's get into it while I bust some more moves. Ow, go ahead, go ahead.
Good.
So I'm playing the game, getting some achievements, busting the move. Okay, so if you guys
Good.
need a quick way to make the achievements, then baby, you can follow exactly the steps that I did here. So this is the exact game, and I'm showing you everywhere to put the blocks in so it'll help you achieve faster. Okay, so pay close attention to where everywhere that I'm putting the game,
Good.
bricks. Okay, so this will help you achieve faster. All right. I'm good at this game. I tell you, I am good at this game. Oh,
Good.
get it, Granny, get it. New high score. Keep on going. So in saying that, there's multiple different games that you can play. Okay, whatever is available. As you can see, I only had one game available. Why? Because I be busting them out. I be playing games all the time. I play games all the time. Okay, so therefore I'm always meeting the requirements. But this is exactly the steps that you need to take to be able to get your free Zems. So once I make it to the specific first achievement, or until I can't go no more, I'll show you exactly what I have achieved.
Amazing.
And how many Zems I actually collected by the time I'm finished this portion. How exciting. Let's speed things up a little bit. There we go. So now that we made the best score, now I'm going to go straight back to Zepeto to see what my progress is. Okay, so all you have to do is go back into the Zepeto app, okay, that you already kept open most likely. Okay, and as you can see, I want to show that I actually installed the game. You want to make sure you see this. That's the game that is installed and is confirmed in Zepeto that I installed it. And guess what? Once that is accounted for and updated in Zepeto, guess what? This is what's going to show. I earned 2 Zems so far. I played for 2 minutes. All right, if I was to play 2 more minutes, 3 more minutes, 7 more minutes, 10 more minutes, 12 more minutes, all the way up, every so often, I'm going to get more and more Zems, all the way up to 37. So as you can see, I've made 2 Zems just by playing Block Smash Journey. Okay, so if you play 488 minutes, you're going to get all 37 Zems. And guess what? That is not bad at all, just for playing games and trying to have fun while earning Zems. Okay, but the most important thing, you must go through Zepeto app to get to these games, so that way it can properly register. Okay, so that way your Zems will be transferred. Now, how long will it take for your Zems to be transferred? Your rewards may take or may be delayed up to 48 hours. So it's not instant. It has to register. They want to confirm that it's you. Okay, only new users are eligible for rewards, and a user would only be rewarded if their app was downloaded using the link in the offer, and that means through Zepeto. Okay, so if you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, put it in the comments below, and I'll try to answer your questions as much as possible. Well, until the next time, everybody, have a great day. Bye!